Hey guys, this is Abhishek Singh and you are watching AB08, and in this video I am going to talk to you about the HYDRUS OS, which is based on 9.0 Pi, and I am using Motorola Moto G5S codename Montana. As you can see, let me first enable the show touches option in the developer options. As you can, this is a very basic ROM. It doesn't have many customizations as Havoc or Pixel Experience or Lineage. Even the Pixel Experience has more features than this. And as you can see, the mobile network and internet settings for 4G VoLTE is supposed to work on this, and the call quality is still low in every PyROM. Is apps and notification settings in this ROM, and notification light settings is also available on it. And apps and battery is draining a little bit more than usual or the stock. You can see the battery usage and display many options such as rotation, auto rotate settings. 180-degree option is also available. See it here. The phone is vertically flipped. Let me off it. Let me just display size, device theme, dark automatic based on color, accent color, various colors are there, and quick setting, tile style, lots of options, lots of. Let me switch. This is the default one, and this is the customized one. What should I do? See it. The quick setting styles has been changed, and store sound and volume increasing ring volume option is also available. Other settings are available as well, just like the stock. Nothing special. Charging sound is newly added in its ROM. Storage, the ROM takes about 6.2 GB space, which is low as compared to stock. Security and settings and fingerprint is also working. Screen lock, pattern has many options, just like 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. Grid, insane. And these are the basic settings, nothing special here. Accounts, accessibility, all the settings are available on stock as well. Moto Actions, these Moto Actions are available on every PyROM for Motorola G5S. Everything, nothing special. I just feel like it is just a copied version of Pixel Experience system, and buttons as well. Navbar settings, button layout, compact, left leaning, right leaning, just like that. You can see it as well. Power menu, wake up device, answer a call. These are the basic features. Status bar, quick pull down, notification, network traffic monitor, system icons, clock position, left, right, center, show seconds, AM PM style, battery percentage, brightness slider, automatic brightness control as well. And the gestures do not work on this phone. I mean, you can't use the pie gestures on it. And this ROM is based on Android 9.0 Pie, HYDRUS OS, latest version it is. Nothing special, basic ROM. I will prefer the pixel experience over this. These are the wallpapers of the HYDRUS OS. These are pretty good. I'll say, let me select one. Mm, oh, and let me show you the quick setting tiles and live display feature. Color calibration is also here, which can be used to fix screen burn issue on this phone. Intensity saturation makes makes a display more vibrant. Display mode as well. And this is just the HYDRUS OS. I will prefer the pixel experience over this ROM. And here's the advanced restart menu. Thanks. And if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel